Hello everyone, welcome back. So I just copy paste two paragraphs here in the introduction section so you would have a better view of how our page looks like now. And now we are having a two paragraph. So if I have like these two texts merged to each other, there will be one paragraph. But if we want to have two paragraphs, we could always do this. Of course, we can always do that. So it goes to the next line. Or we can, instead of doing that, we can enter like two times. So it directly goes to the next line and you have the indent here as well. So it's nice to have indents and it does it automatically itself. So basically when you enter two times, you get the indent automatically. Also, we are having text it here, so it is going to make this part italic. So ad hoc stops, if I find it in the text, let me zoom. So here you see that this part is being uh, italic because we use the ad hoc stops here. So basically, whatever you want to make it italic, you just have a backslash, text it in the brackets. You type down whatever you want to be italic. So you say this is the sentence I want to be shown as italic. So when I recompile, you see that it is now italic. So if you would like to type down something that is in bold, you simply can type Control B or type down text BF. And you can say this is the bold sentence that I am writing down when I have two enters. So you see that you have the automatic indent and you have the bold version, and also you have the italic version here. So basically this is how we can use italic and bold in the text. And also, for example, if you're uh, mentioning something that you would like to make for example footnote for yourself, you can have backslash here, simply just type down footnote, and you can say I should add a citation here for this sentence. So this is a note for you, for example, and let me zoom out a bit. So here you see that the footnote is going to be typed down in the lower part of the page, in this part, but not after everything that is here. So you see that these things are written here, and then we have the footnote. But if we want to have the footnote, for example, somewhere higher, we could have it like here maybe. And let me shorten it a bit because we don't have much text here. My footnote. So you see that the footnote is shown here, or let me comment these two parts as well. So when I have, okay, so now I wanted to have everything in one page. Okay, so now I have the footnote in here. Let me zoom in a bit. So when we look at this part, we should find our footnote here. Yes, so we have number one. When we go down to the left, we have my footnote. So if you would like to add a footnote, you can also use the footnote backslash footnote and simply type down whatever you want to type down. Maybe you would like to give some further information. Maybe you would like to put a note for yourself to know to add something here. For example, you can use a footnote here as well. Thank you for watching.